A man goes to the gym, feeling proud of his routine, but a sudden sneeze turns his workout into a public spectacle. A man loads up the squat rack, gets into position, and just as he descends, a huge sneeze erupts. Bar shifts, he loses balance, and lets out a loud, ugly noise trying to keep the weight from crashing down. Everyone within 10 feet turns to stare, and he's almost certain the guy nearby thought he had farted. He manages to rack the bar, but in his panic, he sneezes again, hitting himself in the chin with the bar. The sound is loud enough to stop people in their tracks once more. He panics, tries to play it off, and ends up stumbling sideways. He abandons the bar, wipes his face, and walks straight to the treadmill, as if that was his plan all along. Have you had an embarrassing gym moment? Share it below.